If your days are swallowed by endless email threads, scattered notes, and back-to-back meetings just to figure out what's blocking who, you're losing hours of productive time. We can turn that scattered process into a tight, integrated workflow. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to connect 5 specific AI tools into a single, automated stack that communicates internally. To follow along, you will need active accounts for these 5 platforms and admin permissions to connect your Google or Outlook calendar to third-party tools. Setting up this interconnected loop shifts your daily workload. Instead of manually copying data between tabs, you move into high-level strategy and reclaim at least 10 hours of your week. Step 1 is eliminating manual note-taking. We will use Fireflies.ai to capture every decision without typing a single word. You start by connecting Fireflies to your calendar. Once linked, the AI automatically joins every scheduled call as a silent participant to record the audio. After the call ends, Fireflies transcribes the conversation and isolates a distinct, bulleted list of action items from the transcript. The free tier covers basic transcription for small teams, but you will need the $18 a month Pro tier to integrate these action items with your other software. When you stop acting as a human stenographer, you eliminate a significant source of administrative delay and ensure that every project decision is documented instantly. Having great notes is useless if those action items stay trapped in a transcript. Moving them into a task tracker is where most manual workflows fail. Zapier AI acts as a bridge, reading plain English instructions to push data automatically between your applications. In Zapier Copilot, you type exactly what you want to happen. When a new action item is created in Fireflies, create a new task in Asana. This creates a direct pipeline where every promised deliverable from your morning meeting populates straight into your project backlog. Since that backlog will quickly get messy, we use Asana AI. Its auto-prioritize feature scans the newly populated list and organizes tasks based on dependency risks. This automation requires Zapier's $30 a month starter plan and Asana's $25 advanced plan. For teams managing hundreds of moving parts, the labor savings justify the cost. A self-sorting backlog transforms task management into a forward-looking process that prioritizes your most critical risks every morning. Now that the tasks are tracked, Step 3 tackles the afternoon workload, converting raw project notes into client-ready documentation. You take your unformatted notes, drop them into a Notion page, and hit the spacebar to trigger the Notion AI assistant. Tell the AI to generate a comprehensive project requirements document or a risk log based on those notes. Writing these documents manually used to take 45 minutes of drafting. Now, the entire process takes 30 seconds. Notion AI is a $10 a month add-on. Because it lives inside your workspace, it can reference your existing wikis and notes, providing more internal context than external tools. Step 4 handles your final daily task, drafting high-stakes stakeholder updates using ChatGPT. To avoid generic or robotic text, you must use a specific framework: context plus data plus goal. Use this exact prompt. I am a project manager. Here are this week's updates. Insert your bullet points. Write a 150-word stakeholder email that is confident in tone, highlights risks clearly, and ends with a specific ask. The free version of ChatGPT is sufficient for these emails. The $20 a month plus tier is only necessary if you are performing complex data analysis on large project files. By standardizing your inputs this way, you turn hours of agonizing over the perfect email draft into a 10-second executive review. You now have a closed-loop system. Meetings are auto-attended, tasks are extracted and prioritized, and final reports are drafted on command. The combined investment for this stack is approximately $80 a month. Based on the reduction in administrative labor, the system pays for itself by Tuesday afternoon. This baseline loop is your foundation. Your next step is to log into Zapier and build the specific triggers that automate your unique project workflow.